How to change account location on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down in here and click on Settings. After you're in Settings, click on Account Info. After you click on Account Info, simply scroll down. Scroll down and you'll find your country or account location. If you click on it, you won't be able to change. So what you can do is go back. In here, click on Help and Safety. After you've clicked on Help and Safety, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Help at the top. After you click on Help at the top, you'll find the search bar in here. Click on the search bar and then simply search account location. Click on account location. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you'll see how is my account location determined, and as you can see, your account regional location is detected automatically. And if you scroll down, you'll find how do I change my account location, and it says automatically detects and updates your account location. There's no one way to simply change your account location. If you recently moved or relocated, it will take some time to update your account. And this is how to change account location on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.